Hello guys. Today I'm showing how to easily get the 𝐻𝐾𝐳 animal scratch profile picture. Subscribe for more tutorials and let's get started. So first go to CapCut and select new video or new project. Select your PFP and the animal scratch. Now select the scratch and press overlay and get it on the PFP. Now crop it to the square one and adjust it. Now do the background removing thing. Expect me to struggle as well. So now it should be a little bit of gray on these scratches. Now screenshot it your profile picture. Now go to IBIS Paint. Now select the highlighted canvas. Now press the Layers button, and you should see a camera which leads to your camera roll add, then grab PFP from CapCut. Make sure it looks like this. Now, to fill those gray areas on the scratches, use the brush roll and grab any brush you like, and then fill in the gray areas. Now screenshot this PFP. Anyways, that's all. Bye.